let's pack and go to Georgia. Hey guys, I'm Chayla. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are packing to go to Georgia because I'm going to Georgia tomorrow for like some family things, and I have not packed a single thing. So we have a lot we need to do today, but first things first, we do need to get ready for work because I have work today from 7 to 7 to 4, and then afterwards we will really start packing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's go to work. This is probably my third or fourth time going to Georgia just this year. But on Thursday, I have a memorial for my aunt. So I'm going on Wednesday, memorial Thursday, back home on Friday. So it's going to be a really quick trip, seeing all the people I need to see, and then coming back home. But I think I'm going to film on TikTok to film like a get ready with me. So make sure you guys are following me on TikTok to see that. So I will catch you back when I'm done. Makeup is all done. Now we just have to do something with my hair. But lately, people have been asking me what I've been putting on my lips. So I will show you guys. I'm using this e.l.f. liner in the shade Mauve, using this butter gloss from NYX. I don't know the shade, so if I can find the shade, I'll definitely link it. So look down below at the description. I need to get some shoes and head out. So if you guys are new here, I work in physical therapy. I'm a physical therapy tech here in Raleigh. I've been doing it for, it will almost be 6 years, which is actually crazy. I'm just gonna wear these black Nikes. No lie, I have a hole in this pair of shoes. I need to throw them away, but haven't done so yet. And then I want to put a necklace on. So I think I'm gonna wear this heart necklace that I got a few weeks ago for my birthday. Let's go to work, and then when we come home, we'll start packing. Look at that, it is 6:43, right on time. Okay, so I don't actually need anything, I don't think, but I'm just gonna look around, see if there's anything I need. Might get some makeup because I do always need that. If I need any travel size stuff, oh, I probably need this, but I think I have one already. Okay, I'm officially home. I went to the grocery store and I honestly just need to pick up my prescription. So did that, and now it is time to officially start packing. Packing and unpacking is my least favorite thing to do, mainly because I have no idea what to pack. I don't know what I need, and sometimes I tend to overpack. But since I'm literally only going for memorial, I only need to like look presentable for one day. So let's see what I need. I think it might be best if I do my makeup first. Don't mind my closet, it's an absolute mess, since I already know all the makeup that I'm going to be using.
New shoes, new move. I don't want the fake love on dailies. Like the way you touch, don't you play me. What the kind that burns.
Since I'm only going to be there for around 2 nights, I don't see a purpose in getting like a whole suitcase together. So I'm just going to carry along this luggage bag. I'm pretty sure this came from like TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I don't know, I got it sometime during college. But it's super cute and pretty big. So this is one of my book bags from college. And I think I'm actually going to use this as like my toiletries. Is that bad? It's a bag and I don't have to look for another one, so I think we're gonna put some like random junk in there. But let's go ahead and pack up my clothes.
Don't you play me? What the kind that burns but saves me. New groove, new rules. Every night
I just got out the shower because I wanted to try on my 2 dress options, and I didn't want to have makeup on, especially since the neck is white. So this is just the 2 options. This first one is just like a little baby doll black dress. It came from Amazon, but I love the like scallop detailing. And then this one, oh, don't mind my birthday balloon. And then this one is the one that I'm pretty sure I'm going to be wearing. I got this from a boutique in Raleigh called Mystique. I love stuff from there.
I'll feel the pressure, no lately. As soon as you come around, I
feel like I did the majority of my packing. Obviously, there's like a few things that I can't necessarily pack up yet until morning, like my skincare, toothbrush. So I'm a little anxious about this trip. I don't know why. Well, no, I do know why, but I'm trying to not be anxious. I don't know what's gone over me today, but I've just been so inspired to be posting. I am literally in a posting mood lately, and I don't know, I just feel so inspired and ready to take on this next quarter. Is it even a quarter? Season? Whatever time this is in the world. I've been obsessed with the show Off Campus. If you guys haven't seen it on Amazon Prime, I highly recommend watching it because it might be one of the best shows ever. But I'm so obsessed with it and I need to know what happens next. I decided to buy the book. Well, I didn't buy it. I got it for Chris. Christmas. I got it for my birthday. My mom actually bought me the whole series. I don't read. Like, reading is not my thing, but I've been reading this one. And I'm so excited because I need to know what happens with all the boys. So you guys should definitely watch it or read the book if that's your thing. It's not my thing, but let's just say this book is a little spicy. Just saying. So I definitely need to make sure I pack my book because I will be reading that on the drive there and in the hotel room.
New shoes, new move. I don't want the